The LNTS series multi-slide automatic lathe is one of the stars in the lineup of CNC machines from Lathe machinery. This machine is specifically designed to maximize your productivity. So let's have a look at this amazing machine in action. The LNTS series features 3 compound cross slides and 8-position fully driven servo turret on a compound slide and a back machining platform to make sure that you achieve very fast turns. This machine is fully assembled in-house to guarantee quality, and Lathe has a superb reputation in the international market for the quality, accuracy and reliability of all of their machines. The 3 independent compound cross slides on this machine are all servo and ball screw driven for super accurate cutting and work together to drastically reduce machining time. If no back machining is needed, the front part catcher collects the finished workpieces at this stage. While the compound cross slides are doing what they do best, the selection of either fixed or fully driven tools on the turret carry out all of your drilling, boring and threading. This turret features 2 servos, one for the position indexing and one for the driving the tools. Once all of the initial machining is complete, the synchronous driven pick-off device on the turret spins the workpiece around to the back machining platform for final cutting and drilling, while the main spindle is starting on the next workpiece. But this is not the end of the process. Once the machining is finished, the optional parts catcher extends and carries the completed part off to the next stage of your manufacturing process. The retractable parts catcher ensures that there are no obstructions to coolant flow and chip flushing. Additionally, the high-pressure coolant washes the chuck before it spins back into place to start on the next piece. LeCo has chosen the very best for their controllers, and the LNTS series uses the 840D, which gives you simultaneous 5-channel 11-axis control and a user-friendly interface for fast, efficient programming. The LNTS series from LeCo is a #1 choice for international customers who are looking to decrease machining times and increase production throughput. In the time that you've been watching this video, the LeCo LNT has completed these 3 products. So, for ultra-fast, efficient machining, this is definitely a machine that you need to consider.